Hello, GTM engineers. Today, I'm taking you through how to set up the website visitors template. If you're not tracking visitors on your website, you should start now. And for this, we've built you a very simple template, which looks a bit like the following. Website visitors is great intent because once people from a particular organization are visiting your website, maybe interacting with particular pages, that's a great timing indicator for you to have a sales conversation with them. And so usually if you notice that, maybe you want to put them into a nurturing campaign or immediately get a sales rep on that account. And so setting this up in Cargo is now very simple. We have this template for you, and setting it up, it works as follows. You're going to be in your workspace home, and you're going to choose website visitor template and press next. This will ask you to select the model, and we have Snitcher as an integration, which you can use with the Cargo credits. And so here all you have to do is set a name, slug, provide the URL for your homepage, and ask your team, whoever deals with the website, to implement this little pixel inside the website. And once that's done, once that model is loaded, you'll get basically a list of people, of organizations that are visiting your website. And so that's great because then we can use that to power this template. The template is pretty simple. It essentially takes those organizations as they come, and then we do a quick deduplication search in HubSpot. And once we are sure that we're not duplicating an existing company that already has been tracked, we find stakeholders working in that company. And then for each of those stakeholders, we'll loop through that array, find an email, upsert that contact to the CRM. And it's always helpful to send a Slack message. And so here I have set that up for you with an example for this domain called zenchef.com. We're tracking the job title sales or marketing. So those are my inputs. Then basically I match for the domain in the CRM. I have a filter to stop if that's the case. And in this case, I'm showing you what it looks like to find stakeholders. So again, domain and titles produces a bunch of stakeholders working in this company, which is great. I pass that to a group. And inside classic stuff, I find an email using Cargo's email waterfall tool. I upsert that contact into my CRM, and I update a Slack channel. And voila, that's how you get started with website visitors today.